Hey Aisha, can you give me your new watercolors?
Omar, you forgot something.
What? I didn't forget anything.
You did. But I'll let you figure it out.
Aisha, let me use your ball.
Omar. Again?
Again what?
You were still missing the magic word.
Magic word? Are we in a video game or something? I'm taking your food.
Hey. That's not nice.
But I'm hungry.
Still. You should ask nicely.
What is this mystery word? Aisha, can you tell me the magic word now?
Nope. You need to learn it yourself.
How? Everyone keeps talking in riddles today.
I heard someone is searching for the magic words. The first magic word is please. Whenever you ask for something, use this word. Second magic word, thank you. It shows kindness after someone helps you. If you like the video,
Don't forget to like
subscribe,
and share.